ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 14-1 परम भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि प्लस 14-2 इदं ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य श्री भगवान उवाच पदच्छेदे श्री भगवान उवाच परम भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानां ज्ञानमुत्तमं पदच्छेदे परम भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानां ज्ञानम् उत्तमम् यज्ञात्वा मुनयः सर्वे परां सिद्धिमितो गताः पदच्छेदे यज्ञात्वा मुनयः सर्वे परां सिद्धिम् इतः गताः इदं ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यमागताः पदच्छेदे इदं ज्ञानम् उपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यम् आगताः सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च पदच्छेदे सर्गे अपि न उपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम् I have the columns here कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः उत्तमं ज्ञानानां यत् परं ज्ञानं ज्ञात्वा सर्वे मुनयः परां सिद्धिम् इतः गताः भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि. The phrase Jnananam Uttamam in 1a is adjectival of Jnanam in 1b. By that, Yat Jnananam Uttamam Param Jnanam is together Karmapadiyam of Jnatva in 1b. Since Jnatva is a Tvantam, it is Samankartruka with Gataha in 1c. So, Sarve Munayaha in 1c is Kartrupadiya phrase for both Jnatva and Gataha. Though the word Gataha has past tense inherent, the statement Yat Jnananam Uttamam Param Jnanam Jnatva Sarve Munayaha Itah Param Siddhim Gataha applies to Munayaha, only Munayaha of the past. Actually, the complete sentence is Yat Jnananam Uttamam Param Jnanam Jnatva Sarve Munayaha Itah Param Siddhim Gataha Tat Jnananam Uttamam Param Jnanam Bhuyah Pravakshami. So, the complete phrase Yat Jnananam Uttamam Param Jnanam Jnatva Sarve Munayah Itah Param Siddhim Gataha Tat Jnananam Uttamam Param Jnanam is objectival of Pravakshami. Idam Jnanam Upashritya Sadharmyam Mama Agataha Sarge api na upajayante pralaye na cha vyathanti. Upashritya in 2a has its own object idam jnanam. Sadharmyam is object of agataha. Actually, since upashritya is a levantam, being saman kartruka, mama sadharmyam agataha is subject for upashritya also. Actually, since is subject for upashritya also. Idam jnanam upashritya is an action prior to mama sadharmyam agataha, rather a precondition for mama sadharmyam agataha. Idam jnanam upashritya mama sadharmyam agataha is a subject phrase of both na upajayante in 2c and na vyathanti in 2d. Anvayashaha shabdabhyasa. Yad jnananam uttamam param jnanam jnatva sarve munayah itah param siddhim gataha bhuyah pravakshami. Yat sarvanama atra napusakalingam dvitiya ekachanam. Jnananam jnana knowledge napusakalingam shashti bahuvachanam. Uttamam uttama excellent visheshanam atra napusakalingam dvitiya ekachanam. Param para supreme विशेषणम अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम. ज्ञानम ज्ञान नॉलेज नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीय एकवचनम. ज्ञात्वा ज्ञाधातोः क्त्वान्तं ज्ञा अवबोधने टू नो टू रियलाइज टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्रियादिः नवमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. सर्वे सर्व ऑल सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. मुनयः मुनि विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम। मुनिः मन इन उच्च उणादि। A sage or holy man, saint, devotee, an ascetic, muninam apyaham vyasaha. This is in Bhagavad Gita 10.37. Dukkeshvaranudvignamana sukheshvagitaspura vitaragabhyakroda sthitathir muniruchyate. 2.56. That is the definition of a muni. Punya shabdo munirti muhush kevalam rajapurvaha. Itaha avyayam. Itas indeclinable. Idam itam tasil. Ishadesha. Hence, from here or hence, from this person, from me, itaha sadaityaha prapta shri neta evarhati kshayam. So different quotations of meaning in different contexts. Param, para, supreme, visheshanam. Atra stilingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Siddhim, siddhi, attainment. Stilingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Gataha, gam dhatoho, kta visheshanam gata. Gam, gamrum, gatau, to go, vadihi. प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्। भूयः विशेषणम्। अव्ययं वा much, very much, exceedingly, largely, greatly, more, again, furthermore, more. भूयश्चाह त्वमस्य शयने कंठलग्ना पुरामे। प्रवक्ष्यामि। प्रवच धातोः लृटि उत्तम पुरुषः एकवचनम्। टू डेलिनिएट अपॉन प्रवच। इदं ज्ञानम् उपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यम् आगताः सर्गे अपि न उपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च। इदं सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं द्वितीया एकवचनम्। उपाश्रित्य उपाश्रि धातोः ल्यबन्तम्। उपाश्रि प्रथमगणीयः उभयपदी। टू हैव रिकोर्स टू, resort to. Idam jnanam upashritya. Same shloka has been quoted. Mama asmat sarvanama atra shashti ekvachanam. Sadharmyam. Sadharmya napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam. Sadharmyam, sameness or community of duty, office. Panchamam lokpalanam uchus sadharmya ayogataha. Sameness of nature, common character, likeness, community of properties. Same shloka. Idam jnana upashritya mama sadharmya agata. 14.2. Same shloka. Agataha. Agam dhatoh kta visheshanam agata. Atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Agam, to come, to attain. Sarge, sarga, pullingam saptami ekvachanam. Sargaha, sruch, ghai. Relinquishment, abandonment, creation. This is the meaning appropriate here. Aradhya vipran smaramadhi sarge. Pralaya sthiti sarganam karanatam gataha. Pralaya sthiti sarga. Pralaya dissolution. Sthiti staying. And sarga creation. The three states of living being or anything getting created in this world. Api, avyayam, also. No, avyayam, no, not. Upajayante. Upajan dhatoh lati pratham purusha bahuvachanam. Upajan. Chaturthaganiyah atmaipadi. To be born, produced, originate, arise, grow, to happen, to take place, to become visible, appear, to be born again. Sargepi nopajayante. Same shloka has been. Pralaye, pralaya, dissolution. Vyathanti. Vyath dhatoh lati prathama purushaha bahuvachanam. Vyath prathamaganiyah atmaipadi. Vyathate, vyathita. To be sorry, to be pained, vexed or afflicted, be agitated or disquieted, to be disturbed, be ruffled or agitated, to be vexed, to fear, to be angry, to be irritated. न व्यथति च अव्ययम and अन्वयार्थः overall meaning. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha, the resplendent one said, Yat jnananam uttamam param jnanam jnatva sarve munayah itah param siddhim gataha bhuyah pravakshami. Once again I shall explain pravakshami. The supreme knowledge, param jnanam, the best among the knowledges, by knowing which all the seers have gone from here to the supreme success. Param siddhim. Idam jnanam upashritya mama sadharmyam agataha sarge apina upajayante pralayana vethanti cha. Those who attain identity with me, sadharmyam, by resorting of this knowledge, are not born even during creation, nor do they suffer pain during dissolution. Yes, pralaya, dissolution. Chando Vishesham. Param bhuya pravakshami. Ashtakshani. Pravakshya. Itesham matraha eka dve dve. Jnananam jnanamuttamam. Namutta. Itesham matraha eka dve eka. Yat jnatva munayas sarve. Ashtakshani. Nayas sarve. Itesham matraha eka dve dve. Param siddhimito gataha. Ashtakshani. Mitoga. Etesham matraha eka dve eka. Asmin चतुर्दशाध्याये प्रथमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप छंदः इदं ज्ञानम् उपाश्रित्य अष्टलक्षाणि उपाश्रित्य एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे मम साधर्म्यमागताः हर्म्यमाग एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते अष्टलक्षाणि प्रजायन्ते एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे प्रलयेन व्यथन्ति च अष्टलक्षाणि व्यथन्ति एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् चतुर्दशाध्याये द्वितीये श्लोके अनुष्टुप छन्दः स्वाध्यायः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी द फ्रेज ज्ञानानाम् उत्तमं परम ज्ञानं भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि अंडरलाइन्स श्री कृष्ण भगवान्स बेनेवोलेंट ज्ञान यज्ञः by which he bestows extreme grace to Arjuna, the grace of knowledge. The phrase Sarve Munayah Itah Param Siddhim Gataha refers to Munayah of the past, but it implies an advice to attain Jnanam Uttamam Param Jnanam and conduct oneself to be a Muni so that anyone can become Param Siddhim Gataha. The phrase Idam Jnanam Upashritya Mama Sadharmyam Agataha implies that Idam Jnanam is the key to attain Sadharmyam with him. Rather, Idam Jnanam is the key to understand what his Dharma is. Understand what his Dharma means. Then only one can attain Sadharmyam with him. Mama sadharmyam agataha sarge api na upajayante pralayena vethanti cha. Is like what fruits one will get by attaining sadharmyam with him. Philosophically speaking, one may not, rather need not bother about the fruits, right? The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are as below. I will be giving the links. Presently, I am not able to edit or add to my blogs, study1gita to sanskrit.wordpress.com, slbanker.wordpress.com. There is some problem, I don't know. I will start editing and posting only after that problem is sorted out. Okay, Shubhamastu.